Hello, digital explorers. Are you drowning in a sea of unwanted emails? Today, I'm going to be a guide on a digital decluttering journey. We're tackling the ever daunting task of unsubscribing from unwanted emails and mass deleting them in Gmail. Let's reclaim your inbox and make it a place of Gen once again. First things first, let's dive into how to unsubscribe from unwanted emails. Open an email from a sender you no longer wish to hear from. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, look for the unsubscribe link. It's usually small and tucked away, but it's there. Click on it. Follow the prompts to confirm your unsubscription. Sometimes it's instant. Other times you might have to fill out a short survey or simply press another button and there you go, you're unsubscribed. But what if you got hundreds of these pesky emails? Doing it one by one is a chore no one wants. There's where Gmail's bulk actions come into play. Let me show you how to mass delete emails. First, go to your Gmail box. Here's a neat trick to quickly find all emails from a sender. Type from followed by the email address of the sender in the search bar. This filters out all emails from the sender. Now click on the checkbox at the top left corner to select all emails from the search results. Once selected, click on the trash can icon to delete all the selected emails. Gmail might ask for confirmation, confirm it, and voila, a cleaner inbox. But remember, prevention is better than cure. To avoid future declutter, be mindful of what you subscribe to and utilize Gmail's filters to automatically sort or delete unnecessary emails. And there you have it, folks. A cleaner, more manageable inbox is just a few clicks away. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.